Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create the intense heart shake zoom out effects using only Capcut mobile. First, open your Capcut and then import your video clips, then import your music track. And before we add the effects, let's mark the bits of the music. In this tutorial, I have already marked them, but don't worry, I will show you how. Just tap on the music track, then tap bits. This one, and then just play the music and tap at it on its beat that you want to sync the effects with. After that, just trim or adjust the durations of its video clips to match the beat marker like this. And once you're done with that step, let's jump into the effects. First, add a keyframe at the start and end of its video clips like this. Then on the first keyframe, zoom in slightly and drag the frame down a little, like this. And down a little, like this. Then tap on graphics, this one. And choose linear. And adjust like this. And then just tap checkmark. And repeat these steps for its clips. Now go back to the second clips and go to effects, this one, and video effects, and then search for shake and tap it and place it before the clip start like this, and then tap on object, this one, and all videos. Then add keyframes at the start and end of the effects like this. And on the first keyframe, set the speed to 50 and then intensity to 0 like this. And on the second keyframe, increase the intensity to the maximum like this. Next, duplicate it and paste it after the clips like this. And reverse the adjustment so it balances out like this. And then duplicate the second effects, then place it on every clips. Like this. Next, let's add some extra effects. Just go back to the second clips again. And then add a new effect. Search for oblique blur. This one. And then adjust the durations, maybe like this. Add a keyframes again at the start and end of the effects. On the first keyframes, increase the blur. I will like this, and then rotate it to maximum like this. Then on the second keyframe, adjust it like this. Mix the blur to 0. Then duplicate these effects and place it on every clip. Like this. And go back again to the second videos. And then add a white overlay at the beginning. And go to animations. Choose out and then fade out. This one. And adjust it at maximum like this, and then just check mark, duplicate it, and then set it as overlay like this. And on the second overlay, just tap on splice and then choose overlay, this one. And lastly, add on out animations on the final clips to smoothly finish the screen. Tap on the last clips and add animations. Choose out and choose fade out. Then check mark. And let's play the video. And that's it. Now you have got a clean and professional looking heart shake zoom effects in Capcut. Okay, if this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.